Nurse being joined by Vasilevskiy and Hyman. Nurse breaks loose, heading for the net. Nurse shoots, save Vasilevskiy, rebound Vasilevskiy, and somehow Vasilevskiy stuck out the left pad. How did that stay out? Here's the Guentzel the other way, and he scores. Tampa wins the game 2-1 in overtime. What a sequence! Vasilevskiy a game saver at one end, and Guentzel the winner at the other. There is nothing like NHL overtime hockey.
Unbelievable. And puts it right in the tape. Darnell Nurse with a shot, second opportunity off the skate of Hyman. And I mean, right there for Vasilevskiy, he just needs to get it upstairs. This puck just doesn't get high enough over the pad. Kucherov puts it up to Radish. He threads this one through, and Jake Guentzel so good and tight. Finishes it off in overtime. Wow.
2-1's your final. I mean, there are hundreds of games on an NHL regular season schedule. You'd be hard-pressed to see 4 or 5 better than the one you were witness to tonight. What a fabulous hockey game. Tampa 2, Edmonton 1 in overtime.
And that's overtime for you. And there was a couple near misses earlier in the overtime. Stretch passes, one attempt by Bouchard up to McDavid, a secondary one.